Hi everyone, it's BellaGemaNails, and today we're going to be doing a review and unboxing of Read Your Heart jewelry. So if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. So Read Your Heart Jewelry was kind enough to reach out and ask if I would review their jewelry. I had never heard of the brand prior to receiving the product or the email, and so let me show you the first piece. This is a classic solitaire. This is in an oval moissanite and it has a 4-prong setting. This is an engagement ring. It is in a size 4.5. And this band, when you think solitaires, usually they seem to feel rinky-dink. The bands don't feel as solid. This one is solid. It has a nice design. It isn't very elevated, so it won't sit that high on the finger, which is for more comfort and safety, really, because you don't want to snag it on things. But there is so much shine in this moissanite, which is basically a diamond alternative, but a stone in its own right. It is not a diamond, but it sparkles just like one, if not more. This is a beautiful, beautiful moissanite ring. And so if you wanted to save money on an engagement ring and don't want to commit to a diamond, this is a more ethical option, and definitely cost-wise, it's far more affordable than you would find in a diamond. So moissanites, if you don't know the history, I'll post information down below, but it's a very interesting stone. These are created in a lab. You can't find a natural moissanite, but they were originally made out of meteorites, and it is a silicon carbide stone. And it was first discovered in 1893, so it has a really rich history, and it's very, very beautiful. So this moissanite ring really does sparkle. This is with no overhead light, just with my design room window open. I'm going to show you what it looks like in various light settings so you can get a good indication of what it'll look like. I do love the pretty box that it comes in. I'm going to be fitting this on my finger there. Again, I am a 4.5. This is what it looks like. It is thin, but it has the perfect amount of weight to it. It will not turn to one side or the other. It'll stay upright. Let me show you the other item that they sent me. And this is a band that complements this particular ring. And let me show you what that looks like. It is not an eternity, so it ends halfway, but it is very sparkly. I can just see the sparkle in my studio. And let's put that on. This is also in a 4.5. It's rare for a company to even have small sizes. I could never find that in jewelry. I have to custom make my own. You can see what that looks like. Side view, back view, front view. So the band is a moissanite half round eternity in sterling silver, and it is a great complement to this actual ring. It's also very affordable. If you want to take a look, I'll post links down below to both items. Moissanite is to test as a diamond if you use a diamond meter. So if it beeps red, it is going to be testing as a diamond. I do have my 2 diamond rings. I have a CZ and a clear crystal there just to compare. So let's try this one, which is a diamond. Let's try this one. Okay, let's try moissanite. Let's try the band. Let's try the crystal. Let's try it again. One more time. Okay, let's try the CZ. So the next item I have for you is the giveaway item, and this is a very dainty and beautiful moissanite, and this is a 4-leaf clover pave pendant, and you can see it has a 1-carat center, and then it has the pave clover throughout here. It is on a very delicate and dainty chain. It is a very beautiful piece. I am not really a dainty wearing jewelry type of gal. I like my pieces bold and completely in your face, but I do appreciate the beauty of this piece, and I am going to be giving this away to one lucky winner. Read Your Heart was kind enough to provide me with a Bella15 code for 50% off their entire website, so make sure that you click the link down below. Now for this giveaway of the Clover necklace, I want to make sure that you are a BellaGemaNails subscriber, so subscribe down below. I also want you to thumbs up the video. Follow BellaGemaNails on Instagram. Follow Read Your Heart USA on Instagram as well. And down below, I want to know if you're engaged, how you were proposed to. If you're married, I want to know how you were proposed to. And if you never want to get married, I want to know that too. So good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. I will pick a winner in 1 week's time. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.